Good day everyone and good day to you, sir. And this is our topic, biochemistry. This topic is composed of four members, Tamushem Henry, Abdurrani Erwin, Nursani Absimar, and De Los Reyes Anisa. And this is our topic given by you, which is biochemistry. First, we tackle first our vision, mission, and core values of our school. Vision, the PPSU lead provider of globally competitive human resources. Mission, provide effective, efficient service through advanced technology, studies, researches for empowerment of the nation and human resources. And the core value is love of God and country, social responsibility, commitment, dedication to service, and accountability. This is our syllabus. Core syllabus in organic chemistry. And program objective and in relationship to the college goal. First, this is the program objective. This section, first line, first paragraph. This section appears to a matrix or grid where each course learning outcome will be mapped to one or more program objective. There are rows and columns facilitate this mapping. Number 2 is the object. The object should be realistic and attainable within the given constraint sources. Number 3 is the objective should align and overall goals and priorities to the of the organization program. Course code is Biochem 321. Course title Biochemistry. Requisite none. Credit 12 units. And schedule is and this is the course description. Biochemistry explores with the chemical process within the relating to living organism. It bridges biology and chemistry to explain the molecular basis of life. This course provides the detailed understanding of the structure, function, and interactions of the biomolecules. Includes protein, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acid. It also covers metabolism, pathway, enzyme, mechanism, and molecular basic of genetic information. That is our course description of the biochemistry. Next, we proceed to our learning outcomes. Course learning outcomes and relationship to program education objectives. First, learning outcomes is at the end of the semester, the student expected to, number 1, understand the structure, function, and priorities of major biomolecules including proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and molecule acids. Number 2 of course learning outcomes. Describe and analyze the major metabolic pathway in the body including glycolysis and Krebs cycle, oxidative phosphorylation, and fatigue of metabolism. Number 3, apply common biochemical techniques such as spectroscopy, microscopy, and electrophoresis. Number 4, solve biochemical problems and critical thinking and quantitative reasoning skills. And number 5 is design the interpret biochemical experiment. And that is our course learning outcomes for our biochemistry topic. Next, we proceed to our course content. Course objective topics, time alignment. Number 1 topic is biochem amino acid. It gain 9 hours. Number 1 is what is biochemistry? Number 2 is how manage your time and supervisor. Number 3, importance of time and management of biochemistry. Here in the desired student learning outcomes, student will be able to provide the rationale behind the various functions of cooperative education and academic. Sa topic 2 naman. Topic 2, selecting and researching your topic, which is the biochemistry, and the subtopic is, for example, the subtopic is the Krebs cycle and the fatty acid metabolism. That is the example of subtopic of the biochemistry. Number 3, writing your findings, which is 9 hours. Planning and staging your deadlines, creating appropriate structure for the dissertation. The desired student learning outcomes naman, student will articulate the international system of education in context of a comparative study. Student will expand on the system education across the allocate. Number 4 topic ay dito naman sa outcome based sa mga OBA teaching and learning activities. Dito sa number 1 topic is individual presentation, which is PPT ba or instructional material, IMs. Okay lang yun. Tapos dito naman sa number 2 topic natin, sa selecting your research for topic, yung outcome based activity naman is case analysis, which is yung mag-oral, magtanong yung mga teachers. Tapos dito naman sa 3 topic natin, yung writing up your findings, dito is focus a group discussion, which is mag-brainstorming yung mga student, groupings by example, where there is 30 students in the classroom, group by 3 or 4. Mag-brainstorm sila for this writing up your findings. Number 4 is bring your critique-based submitting your work. 9 hours using the self-evaluating set and related approach. Ito naman yung mga individual presentation. Pwede yung mag-report sila individual or may mga share sila mga idea about sa na-brainstorm nila. Sa evidence of outcomes, the number 1 topic natin is scoring rubric individual recitation. Yun na, mag-scoring yung teachers or instructors ng sa individual presentation. Scoring rubric naman din dito sa number 2 topic, which is parehas lang yung hanggang sa 4. Course objective, AB. Ganyan lang siya. Same sa program outcomes. Values integration, value of critical thinking, dito yan sa biochem sa ating topic 1. So number 2, value of service. Value of service and value of creativity and value of concern dito sa topic natin. Ay, which is, meron pa pala tayong topic 5. Topic 5 is over to you, composed of 18 hours. Emphasis of the key challenges in preparing a dissertation with consistency of effort. You must avoid the temptation to cause of the cram. What you need is someone who will hack you, surrounding board and ideas prepared by brainstorm of you. Yun na yung sinabi ko kanina na mag-brainstorm yung mga student for this topic. Over to you, kung anong naintindihan nila sa isang topic. Meron pa tayong number 2 subtopic, meet all the demands that you need to respect. Hence, they're in need to find someone else. The most likely and most suitable person will be fellow student. In this case, you must be prepared reciprocate. Tapos, this course evaluation, course requirements is number 1, attendance, face-to-face class. Siyempre, dapat meron tayong face-to-face class dyan kasi mag-interact yung student pati yung teacher, yung mga explanation ganyan. Number 3 is compliance, contractive actual activities. Diyan na yung magpasok ang teacher, magbigay siya ng mga activity sa student, mga mag-brainstorm, kung may mga ipa-answer pa, or may mga oral recitation. This grading system. Midterm is 2/3 class standing, short quiz is 20%, long test is 30%, micro, macro presentation, productive of materials, yung mga IMs natin or mga PPT, 35%. Class participation is 15%. 1/3 with long examination. Second quarter, class standing, short quizzes, may mga short quizzes tayo, long test, macro presentation, and class participation, parehas lang. Sa final exam naman, midterm, is grade 3/4 of your midterm exam will be gained by final. Bali kung bagsak ka sa midterm, tapos mabawi mo sa final, may chance ka pa mapasa. Pero kung bagsak ka per midterm, bagsak ka final, wala ng chance. Which is, pwede ka mag-INC or may mga special project. The final grade naman, yun na yung final grade. And course policies. Tingnan naman tayo sa course policies. Assigned reading must be promptly complied. Which is, dapat yung mga readings natin, dapat maganda ang pagka-pronounce ng mga words. Para hindi tayo mabito. Number 2 is no special takes for short quizzes and invalid justification. Dito, yung number 2, di na pwede kung merong mga midterm, mga quizzes or exam, midterm exam ba yan, bawal na yung student mag-special quiz. Kasi baka may mga sabi ng mga student na ganitong answer, ganyan, unfair na yon. Ito, bawal yon. A special evaluation for schedule by taken a consideration provided presentation with written communication. Ito a special evaluation. Pag mayroong mga special evaluation naman, yung may mga student na may mga lagnat, yung mga yung may mga lagnat sila. Number 4 is if a student miss up a group activity or being absent, he or she will be allowed to join if one accepted by the group. Dito, yung number 4 natin is, example, may student na absent this day, pagka next meeting natin, pwede na siya mag-join sa mga ibang group kung tanggapin ba siya ng group na yun. Ganun. Number 5, if a student miss an individual group presentation, the teacher will mediate take a part of the student to compliance the expected discussion. Kung meron siya mga individual groupings or mga individuals na mga case na mga individual presentation yung student, pwede siya bigyan ng teacher ng special presentation yung siya lang na topic niya. And that is all our syllabus for this topic, biochemistry. And this is our reference. This is 6 reference and our professor Michael Cabiles. And thank you for watching, everyone. Have a nice day.